age, breastfeeding, not wearing the right bra, etc. can make your breasts saggy. And there's no harm in using a breast massage oil that can hold the original shape of your bosoms or can make better transformations. Keya Seth Aromatherapy Lady Care, a therapeutic-grade essential oil blend, is regarded as one of the dependable products for enhancing, toning, firming, and uplifting breasts. This massage oil helps supply oxygen to the tissues, restores blood circulation, and eventually makes the breasts firmer. It can decrease breast size with the right massaging technique applied. It makes the skin softer, smoother, and fairer. It gives you desired results by employing the principles of aromatherapy. Now, in case you are considering firming up saggy breasts or decreasing their size, follow the massage techniques we are about to demonstrate. Number 1. General stroke. Number 2. Pinching. Number 3. Spreading movement. Number 4. Rotation. Number 5. Tapping. Number 6. Downward movement. Number 7. Sideward movement. Number 8. Upward movement. Number 9. Half circle. Number 10. Lifting movement. Tap a hot towel. Repeat each of these strokes 10 times a day. Lady Care is 100% natural and has no side effects on your health. It's not just any massage oil but a therapeutic grade oil. That's why you must follow a treatment regimen to achieve the best results. We recommend you use it once a day for at least 3 consecutive months. No need for post-massage washing or wiping off.